All right, people. What's going on? Welcome back. Welcome back. Happy Wednesday. Hope you guys are doing well. Back for another session. Let's just start on our what? Starts at the same time every time. 7 a.m. London time. It's called a waiting room. Good morning everyone. Good morning. Let's see. Goldie has not been up to too much so far today. Hello from Australia. Hello, man. What's going on? What's up? Why's my phone not charging? No, you don't want to work today. There we go. All right, let me get Zoom fired up here. Goldie trying to have a little push. I sure can, man. Yep. Let me see. Like this. Seems a little bit better. Let me turn this. Bring it a little bit closer, maybe. Oh. There we go. All right, let me just get Zoom set up here. Sending from Canada. Good man. Good to have you guys in. Let me go participants. I'm just gonna get Zoom set up here, and then we'll get set up here. Manchester living in Brizzy. Nice man, nice. First time in the chat. What's going on, Louis? Good to have you in, man. Good to have you in. Hopefully you have a good day today. We've had back-to-back winners so far this week. Yesterday we had an amazing day on London. Let me just put this in. Yeah, we had an absolutely incredible day yesterday. Whoa, Jesus. Caught the entire move of like the gold buys up, which was an absolutely incredible move. From Canada as well. Nice. All right, let me close Discord. We'll let everyone in on Zoom in a second. Let's have a quick look at the news, see what we've got going on for today. Have a quick little browse. Last two sessions I've tuned into have been amazing. Good to hear, Gavin. Yep. Been an amazing start to the week here on gold. Had two amazing trades on Monday. I only got one of them. And then yesterday we had an absolute banger of a position. What do we have today? Today, there'll be no stream on Friday, unfortunately, because it's a bank holiday, so the futures markets are closed. But today we got FOMC speaking, not till 10 p.m. London time. Wait, what time is that? My time? That'd be like, what, 6 a.m. or something? Where am I? Brisbane time. Where are we? Brisbane, there we go. What time is that news? Yeah, 8 a.m. 8 a.m. you got FOMC speaking. 8 a.m. my time tomorrow. That'll be interesting to watch. Right at the market close as well. You probably won't be able to trade it. Spreads will be crazy. Alright, let me get the Zoom guys in here. And we'll start breaking this down. Let me just make sure you can hear me. Where's the chat? Put the chat over here. What's up, Aaron? What's going on, man? Welcome back. What's going on, Zoom guys? Welcome back. Let me get everyone in here. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Where GC4? We're not trading. Yeah, I'm on GCM 24 here. Top Step's already rolled it over here. Good morning all, good morning everyone. Good morning, good morning. What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Oh, my dog's going crazy. Give me 2 seconds, guys. Alright, I'm back. My dog was kicking off about something. What's going on, Zoom guys? Welcome back. Welcome back, welcome back. Alright, let me start. Come and sit here, buddy. Come on. Stay here. Watch us trade gold. Sit down, sit. Good boy. Sammy's joined us on the stream today. Alright, what time is it? 5 minutes till we're gonna get this hourly close. Zoom guys, I was just saying there's no real news today. You got FOMC right at the market close, so I won't really be too interested in that personally. Tomorrow is unemployment claims, so that'll be more interesting, and obviously Friday is the bank holiday. So we'll see what today brings. Let's break it all down here. Let me just make sure everyone's in. Let me turn you guys up here. Make sure I can hear you.
Hey.
Yo, what's up, man? Alright.
In Bali now.
Oh, nice. When did you get there, last night?
Yeah, I got in last night.
Nice, man, nice. So you've been to explore yet?
Nah, not yet. Had a bit of a sleep in just because we got in late and went and grabbed some food and SIM card and gym set up. Bit of a
Nice, man.
admin day, so I haven't really been out too much.
Nice. So that's you there until the trade and retreat now?
Yeah, I'm here till I got a flight home booked on the 21st of May, so I'm here for like a month and a half.
Sick. Nice. Did you watch England's game last night? Yes, I did. I did, yeah. I got up at... Actually, I didn't watch the first half. I had my alarm for like 5:45. I woke up, I was like, fuck, I'm going back to sleep. And then I woke up at like 6ish, and it was half time, so I was like, I'm actually going to get up and watch it. Yeah, 2-2. Very, 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 very tough game. Scored at what, like literally like, I think it was actually like overtime, but like a couple of seconds, which was crazy. Yeah, I did, man. I did watch it. I didn't watch the first half though. First half looked a little bit more interesting. I haven't watched the highlights of it. Whereas lots of penalties. Oh, gutted.
We had the ball all the time.
Really nice.
Yeah. When you watched the second half, I thought we had it. I thought they were constantly defending.
Yeah, they're fucking parking the bus all the time. Every time we were getting in there, they were literally fucking parking the bus each time. But at the same
I quite
time,
like the way they play now. Actually, this reminds me of Arsenal.
Yeah, I was about to say the exact same thing. I was like, just fucking shoot, like just trying to like roll it into the net each time, like fucking pass it.
Yeah,
It's crazy.
But lots of nice one-touch passing.
Yeah, very.
Yeah,
very,
we missed Harry Kane though, even though he played for Spurs. He's been playing well at Bayern Munich, so.
Yeah, man, he's fucking England need him.
I see his value now. I never used to see it before.
Mm-hmm.
I've watched him carefully recently, and he's actually a really good player.
Yeah, he is, man. He makes England.
Recording in progress.
All right, let's do it. Let's start having a look at Goldie here, breaking this down. I get rid of this little trend line. It's just something I was watching in Asia. So Goldie. Goldie has reacted off of our weekly left shoulder, head, right shoulder region and had this very nice rejection grab in Monday's highs and failing to close above this resistance with 4 equal lows. So we saw a very, very nice rejection on gold yesterday. Tammy's just sat at my legs. So a very, very nice rejection of the highs, failing to close above Monday's high is very, very nice. We spoke about this head and shoulders on our Sunday call. So pretty much what we're looking for here now on gold is to come see this push back down into 2150. That daily rejection was beautiful yesterday. Very, very nice. And I've been watching Asia today. I had a trade in Asia. Let me just get rid of this. What have I just drawn there? I had a trade in Asia today, which I cut at break even before it then hit like, I think it was around like 40 ticks or something. But we can see this 4 hour is just stuck in this very, very little tight range here. But we're kind of reacting around this trend line. So this will be an area where I would imagine a lot of people are probably trying to do something like this. A lot of people are probably trying to buy this trend line, looking for this continuation play up. Whereas for us, we're looking to sell into where most people are trying to buy. So I am interested in gold sells today to come and break this trend line. Now we do have this little area here as a potential area that you may tap into before seeing that push. You'll kind of give the exact same thing here. That kind of left shoulder, there's your head, maybe come back up for the right shoulder. Exactly the same as what you did here, here, and here. But I won't worry about that too much unless the 4 hour, starts closing back above like here. You can see this 4 hour is at this very, very strong support, resistance, grab previous highs, nice pushback down. Currently at that resistance. And this 4 hour is not going to close until, 9 a.m., another 2 hours. If it does close bearish, it will look like a very nice evening star here. But you kind of do have the same to the lows. The past 4 hour grabbed all of the highs and also grabbed all of the lows and still closed back bullish. So it's a pretty tricky 4 hour as it stands right now. Although I want to see, gold break to the downside. The 4 hour isn't telling me much just yet. You kind of have seen a little bit nicer of a manipulative spike there on that hourly, re-grabbing these highs, looking like you were going to drive back down, but you failed to close back below probably, this area-ish. And now that we've just had that hourly close, let's have a look at our hourly here. So you kind of got the main reason I do like sells, even though we're in this little shit range, is just because of this trend line. And I imagine a lot of people will be trying to buy gold here. And I think, a push back down to this low looks like a pretty easy position. Looks like a pretty easy low to come and target. So I'll be looking at, where are we? This low down here, I would imagine even anyone who's buying gold probably from like here, stop loss would just be right below that low, looking for this big play up. So from where we're currently at, down into there, it's like a 60 tick push, which is amazing, which is very, very nice. This is the gold buy we saw in London yesterday, an absolutely ridiculous move. And then New York session completely sent it back lower and left this very, very, very nice daily top wick. So could you retrace a little bit of this first? Yeah, possibly. I'm not against longs. Take a little pullback to retrace a little bit of this up into this area is definitely also on the cards. You just kind of want to see a breakout. Like you broke back below this level, top wick, continue pushing down. Sales from there yesterday around 2 p.m. London time were very, very nice. So could you re-tap into that area one more time? It's possible. It's very, very possible. You see it's respected here, and now respected here as well. I think the only way I will take longs is if you close like bullish hourly back above here, if you come and grab some lows. If you don't grab any lows and you close above here, I won't be taking any longs, because then you'll leave like 1, 2, 3 equal hourly lows. So you got a lot of lows to come and grab here on this 30-minute time frame as well. Previous 30 did just close pretty nice there actually. Grab previous highs, close back bearish. You kind of did the exact same thing here as well. You can't ignore what you've also done to the highs as what you've also done to the lows. Just because we want to see gold sells doesn't mean we can't ignore this potential bullish push as well. I told you to touch the extra massive candle. Yeah, it does. Yeah, the futures chart does. If you look at the futures chart here, and I assume it's because you're on a different contract. Oh, it actually has a gap here, but yeah, on the futures chart on Top Step X, it's one big strong bullish candle. Yeah. and it's automatically changed my contract to GCM 24 now. So I would assume that's why. Yeah, it's automatically changed. We were on GCJ4 yesterday. Now we're on GCM. Yeah, that 30 has also closed nice. I really like to see gold just come and manipulate this trend line. The fact that this has been respected for so long, you know, the amount of people that would be trying to buy this, I really think will be huge. Dog's pacing around. I think a lot of people will be trying to jump in longs here. Probably we'll wait for the first 5. You know, we're only 3 minutes in here. Wait for maybe the first 15. See if we can get an idea of direction. The 5 minute here on the futures is chopping around that VWAP. It's not really showing too much just yet. It's kind of in this little range here. We take a look at tilt. Pretty 50-50 right now as well. 49% people short, 51 long. So no clear direction on the futures either just yet. This range is pretty tough. I took the sells in Asia from on this chart here on the 5 minute. It was actually a great trade. I hit like 18, but I didn't secure because I wanted to see much more downside. Where's it gone? Where's my short? Have I deleted it? Maybe I deleted it. I had sells in Asia from here. Around here. Where are we? Like this. Looking for this to come literally right down to this low here. I got taken out of break even. You know, you grab the highs, close back bearish. I got short from here. You push down into here. I hit like around 18, stops the break even. But I was looking to drive this all the way back down into these lows here. You then ended up coming back up. Asia needed to grab more liquidity. And then you ended up having that beautiful push like all the way back down, like 60 ticks, which was crazy. Oh, sorry, no shots. Apologies. Here. I was short here to target these lows down here. Hit like 18, but it wasn't worth securing because you were bouncing off this very nice trend line here. I was like, well, you're definitely gonna break it, and then you ended up coming all the way back up, re-grabbing these highs, and then I actually then missed the re-entry because I was doing something else, and you ended up then manipulating the second touch of that trend line perfectly as expected for like what 40-ish 50 ticks. A lot of the guys in Asia did get it, but yeah, Asia ended up having a lovely push down, actually. Lovely push down, and they kind of just ranged for the rest of the session. So after I missed that push down, I didn't really watch Asia too much, and you kind of haven't really done too much after that. So I'll be watching that low. I will also be watching this low as well. Good morning, Ross. The line is that a double bottom? This one. I don't think so. It's more so just that tap of the trend line, the fact that it never really grabbed anything before this little push back up. How do you deal with that? Just look at overall levels. So if you look at every single support and resistance level, you're never going to take a trade. So I just look at overall levels. Or like in this range, you see you got resistance there, support there. If you ever see anything like that, just wait for a breakout. You want to be getting in trades where the price action to the left is just clean, like this, nice and clean, like this. Breakout, nice and lovely run. If you can see so many levels, you just need to see a breakout. Like if I jump on my charts and I can see so many barriers of where it can go against me, I'll just wait. Like pretty much in this area right now, you know, if I could take sales here, we've got resistance there, support right there. So it's pretty messy. You just need a clean breakout and volume to break all the levels, and then you just get in on the next push. Good morning, man. Good morning. 30 pushing back up here on gold. I'm being very careful in this range today. I mean, London was in this range yesterday, and then we ended up having one of the best moves at right at the London Open. You had this incredible move. You ranged until then, 8 a.m. London time. Boom. So we got time here. We got time. I'm not getting chopped up in this range personally. My Asia levels that I had marked on was, if you look at the hourly here and here, and that's pretty much it. Breakout of that, amazing. Maybe probably have it like this. I'll take a breakout before then, probably like that maybe. Should expect good volume, isn't it? Yeah, maybe, man. Maybe either that or people will be just taking the holidays early and not really do too much. Kind of hard to say. Yeah, kind of hard to say, man. Hopefully, there's no. I mean, tomorrow will be good because you got unemployment claims. You got what, final GDP, consumer sentiment. So tomorrow will be busy. Today with FOMC, member speaking later on. It'll be interesting. But, I mean, you know, gold sells on the daily look really nice. Once you come and flip bearish on this daily, like, you know, sells once this daily comes to create a new low is going to give you a very, very nice push from like here back down into here. Is going to give you like 160, which is amazing. Everyone. Hey, John, what's going on, man? What's going on, man? Welcome back. But my main area I'll look for some shorts will be either up here or once you start breaking down here. Gap on the futures. I assume it's because their contract has changed. Oil coming back down for that trend line as well that we spoke about yesterday. Oil having that push back down. Nasdaq didn't really do anything. Nasdaq not doing a lot at the minute. Nasdaq's pretty horrible on the daily. I think gold's way cleaner. Do you trade NQ? Nah, I don't, man. Nah, I used to trade it. I don't trade it anymore. I think gold is much nicer. I think gold's much cleaner. Much cleaner to trade. What have you got? You got a... Wait, wrong chart. Let me go on the right chart before I start drawing this on. You do have a very minor little 30 double top there. I'm not going to draw on too many levels because it's going to get confusing, but yeah, you do have this little double top here. Could you see buys up into that? I mean, if you don't grab this double top, you get a bottom wick on the 15. You may look to buy up into that resistance only if it makes sense. It's only 12. Like if you come back down to here, it's 12 ticks away, which I'd be at a minimum 15 to 20 in this little tight range. So depending on how steep of a bottom wick you get, you know, to quickly buy for a little manipulative spike of these highs wouldn't be too crazy. You do have a lot of lows to grab today. You have a lot of lows, but that doesn't mean I'm just only seeing shorts. Could have 3K in one contract. Yeah, it's insane. Yeah, absolutely ridiculous push. We got the longs from like what, down here I think it was. It was, yeah, absolutely ridiculous. A ridiculous move. Trail below every 15 low, man, you would have taken out so much of that. I think the 5 would have got you quicker. Where would the 5 have got you out? Yeah, 5 would have got you out like here. And pull back down and just, yeah, completely just... Look at all these 5 lows. Shortened down is that later on though. Look at that. So many equal lows there. Just boom. And you finally... US session ended up actually having some nice plays down at like, what, 120 London time-ish? You break back below this level, push all the way down, top wick. Huge pushback down. Shorten off that level would have been amazing yesterday as well. Look at that. That's a 130 tick move. That's crazy. Huge. Huge, huge, huge. Looks like this 5 is probably just going to grab the highs here. Which is okay. I'm not looking to buy into it just yet. Let me trade. Matthew, almost 6 years, man. Almost 6 years, man. Get trading US. I think you guys had some sells. Did you guys have some sells in the New York session yesterday? I think.
I might break even through it. 5 minutes closed. And just a nice rejection, but hindsight is a wonderful thing. But I couldn't stay any longer, so I was like, oh, I need to go.
Yeah, fair enough, man.
It was on the 15, it was.
On the 15? 15 was lovely there.
That. Yeah, what you were just pointing at.
This one.
Yeah, that.
Clean.
And that blue wick took me out.
Nice. Oh, this one? Yeah, it's a pretty disgusting candle, to be fair.
5, around break even, and it just came down. I was like, oh, sweet, don't might be alright. So I was gonna leave it, but then it just waked up again and it just hit me. And I was like, oh, okay.
I had before I went off, I had this in. I had a sell on the break of this low here, but then I was just like, I don't actually really like this price action. Then ended up in that 115, like 100 ticks.
So slow, right?
Crazy. Crazy. Futures with Aaron.
I'm sorry.
Futures with Aaron. So you've just grabbed them highs there on gold. So anyone who was selling off this 30 rejections now just been stopped out here. Instant 15 top wick after grabbing the highs. Could you take a sell on the flip? If the range was worth it, it wouldn't be bad for a little wrong side. Something like that wouldn't be bad. I'm not going to take this because the range is too small. I want it to break back down, but you know it's not a bad one to watch. But you wouldn't be in yet anyway. As you rejected, you just re-grab the highs, kind of looking like you're going to leave this evening star. You'd want to see this actually break back down, just because you have so many levels of where it can manipulate. It's only the first 15 of the session as well. You're risking off there. You're risking like what, 12-ish ticks. I'll probably wait for this. Let's see how this 30's looking. Yeah, I'd love to see this 30 close back below this level and start selling this. Can we trade a gap on the futures? Can I compare spot chart for analysis? Yeah, you can compare the spot chart exactly the same. I don't have a gap on mine. It's just a big strong push. So if you were in this, you'd probably be like this. I'm just waiting to see if we can just break back below here. Because if you short here, as soon as you tap into here, that's your, you know, that's your kind of area of where it can go against you, which is just, what, 6 ticks, not worth it. I want to see us break back below this level, and then I'll start taking some shorts. Oh, margin call. Margin call to start the day. Damn, margin calls to start the day. Hello, buddy. Let's see. I'm just going to see if we can get like even a strong bearish 5-minute close back below here could be enough.
I really like the sellers all the way down.
Yeah, it's got a lot of potential. You got a lot of potential on sales today. Had that 5-minute just close. Bearish, not enough though. Five-minute push from back up. Wasn't the nicest of 5-minute closes. It kind of just left a little 5-minute little double top. So if you were in this, you'd be out of break even there, because as soon as it rejects this level, you have to manage your risk. That's the reason I don't like that. As soon as you tap into this level, you could just bounce this and just keep breaking higher. So if you do get some longs, it'll be on the break of this high. I really want to see it close below and start taking some sells. Hopefully Goldie gives us the bank today, hopefully. 2 seconds, guys. %52 people long, 48% people short here on Goldie. Looks like you're gonna push up a little bit more here by looking at this 5. Not 30-second, 30-minute. Is that 30-minute looking? Yeah, 30 minutes looking quite strong. Just grab previous. Yeah, 30's looking strong. You grab previous 30 lows and re-breaking what would look like a liquidity grab of the previous 30 high. Here. Wicked out the lows. Re-breaking back above. Yeah, you don't want to miss the buys up into here because that's still like a 50 tick trade as well, like this. But can I buy gold just yet? Not really. Probably need to see this. Probably need to see this 30 close if I'm gonna get some buys on gold. I would like to see this 30 probably close above, like here ish. Let's see, 15. How's the 15 looking? I mean, if you re-break this high here, there's a high chance you're gonna keep pushing up. What do you have from here into that high? 13 up into here, 30. What would you be looking at there? 17 tick stop for a potential 50 target. Let's see. We've only got 5 minutes till this 30 is going to close anyway, so we may as well just wait till this closes and then see if we can start getting these buys here on Goldie. Both, I think. What time did I think both of our all of our trades this week all came at the London Open. I believe the buys yesterday was at 8:15, and the buys on Monday. Where was the buys on Monday? Was it this one? Yeah, buys on Monday are at 7:30ish. I think it was that push up there that we took. So 7:30, 8 a.m. I don't have any orders in by here, by the way, guys. I'm just watching this. Trading GCJ, nah, GCM 24. How's that 5 minutes close? 5 minutes close back bullish. Take a look here on the 5. Let me just get rid of this for a second. If you created more of a bottom wick, you could have a... Too late. I'm not in this, by the way, guys. I'm not in this. Need a little... Oh, okay. Now this could be a bit nicer. Broken back above this level. You want to be careful because you don't want to get stuck in a tough range. But to see this come and fill in this wick could make sense. 16, 17 ticks away. Got a little 5 minute double top here as well. Last 5 of the 30. Stop loss will be wherever this low is going to be if we do put this in. It's quite tight on the futures here. It's a very, very tight range. On the futures, you'll be looking at 0.7 as a potential flip area. I haven't put it in just yet. Remember, if this 5 closes bearish, this 30 will be respecting this resistance, and we won't be going long. So if this trade's going to be valid, you want to see this 5 flip and drive. And if it doesn't, then you'll probably continue to range, or you may get the sells. Surprised to see it re-grab these highs though. Five. Let's see. I just want to see some. We want to see some volume kick in here. I want to see Goldie come in with the volume. I am overall bearish today on gold though. This would probably just be a bit of a pullback trade. Did you grab the lows of this push? No, not really. No. Gonna wait for the 30 close here. You kind of just left this little 5 minute double bottom. You would have wanted this to re-grab the lows like this before pushing up. So the fact that you didn't, you may start coming to grab them. Wait, what was the reason for the gap in the futures? I believe it's the contract change. Mine doesn't have a gap here personally, but I believe it'll be the contract change here. Top step already rolls. This top step X, the contracts already get rolled over for you, which is quite nice. So it's now moved me to GCM24. So yeah, I think that's why, man. I think that's why. Oh, is this 5 gonna go for it at the last minute? Are we gonna flip it? I'm not gonna take it because, you know, the next. What the fuck is that? Whoa, whoa, whoa! What the fuck is that? This is what I was looking for. Some secret indicators going on there. The reason I'm not putting it in now because you've got 1 minute till this 30 is gonna close. So it's like, even if the next 30 is gonna drive up, it's not just gonna open and just instantly push up. It's gonna need to come down. Maybe grab some of these lows, and then you'll see the breakout of there. So you may as well just wait for that to happen. You got what, 30 seconds here? Is the 30 going to break out nicely? Yeah, ideally, close above there, give us a decent bottom wick, and keep running gold up higher. So let's see, 20 seconds here. How's that 15 looking? Yeah, 15's looking alright. It's not looking amazing, it's looking alright. Seven seconds hit. 7 seconds. Five closed above. So 15 did just close bullish. 5's closed back above. So if you took that 5 flip, you'd be straight into kind of no man's land right now. Yeah, we do. Yeah, head and shoulders in the hourly. Yeah, definitely. That's what I'm pretty much looking for today. Well, I mean, overall, I'm looking for gold to come and grab all these lows today. But rather than just waiting for sells, you do have the possibility of doing this first. So you wouldn't want to miss that move, because you know that's a pretty decent move. That's like it's like a 50 tick move. So you definitely wouldn't want to miss that. Can I buy it right now? Not really. Not really. For anyone who didn't catch the stream yesterday as well, I recorded a trade breakdown of these longs yesterday, which I'll post on YouTube probably next week. That was the buys we had yesterday, and I actually recorded the one from the London one from stream on Monday as well, which I'll probably also upload next week. But yeah, yesterday's trade was an absolute beauty. An absolute beauty. Hopefully today we get the same amount of volume. London so far this week, every day has had amazing volume. Considering last week you didn't have that much, this week you have had amazing volume. I'll be watching these lows here. Grab these lows at around 99.3 on the futures, and you have a potential buy on the break of this 15 high here on gold. Take a look here. I wouldn't take it here. I would love to see if you can grab these here. If you grab these lows and start closing back above, yeah, we could have a nice push again. How do you take entry when candle flip bullish that time, or when liquidity candle high break then? I'm not too sure, you mean, man. Not too sure. It's just solid hourly level as well. Morning everyone. Good morning, Corey. How's things? I'm good, thank you, man. I'm good. We're chilling. chilling. We got what? How many days left of March? What? Well, 2 trading days left of March. So you know what will be interesting on gold is if this monthly actually closes above this previous all-time high, or you actually come back down and reject it. That'd be very interesting. You know, you kind of got gold breaking out of this range. Yeah, it'd be huge. Yeah, we're in this range since like 2020, all the way up into here. Grabbed the lows, broke back into the range, and now you're finally breaking out of it, which is pretty solid. Kind of the range was what like this. That was your liquidity grab. Retail short here, stop above the high. Boom, big breakout. Big breakout.
We were talking about those 3 highs as well.
Yeah, we were talking about these highs for a while, man. Yeah, a while.
Genuine, right?
We were watching them for a long time.
Yeah.
A long time. Oh, it's a 5-minute just grab. 5-minute looks like it's grabbed the lows in the... it's not quite grabbed these lows. I would like it to liquidate these lows and start to break back above these lows here. If we grab these lows and start closing back above here, I'm going to have some longs on gold. And we'll be looking to get like around here. And you're going to see us come much higher. Here you go. It's potentially to run back up into here again. Friday markets closed. I mean, futures and spot markets open. No, futures is either half day, or I believe futures is actually fully closed. Let me have a look. Let me just have a look.
Friday.
Friday's closed, isn't it?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, I think it's closed.
What about Monday? Is it bank holiday here?
I got an email from... Well, it's not a... Where is it? It's top stuff. I had an email.
The Easter bunnies in town.
The Easter bunnies in town. Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Oh, shit. 70, 50... 54% people long here on gold, 46% people short. Average long price on the future chart is 98.95. So we're in a little bit of, where is it? 98 point, oh, it must be nice. 98 point, where? 95. That's alright, yeah. And we're flying to Vegas tomorrow. Oh, nice, Brian, nice. Wait, days, best wishes. Yeah, nice one, Brian. Enjoy, man. Enjoy the Vegas trip, man. I've never been to Vegas. I'd like to go to Vegas. This is what we're looking for. We're looking for this, and then we're looking for this.
Absolutely amazing.
It's amazing.
Oh yeah, it's glass.
Yeah,
Really
I'd love to
glass.
go. Yeah, I'd love to go.
Yeah. But it's not, well, obviously it is a party city, but you don't have to go there and party. There's so much stuff to do there.
Yeah, it'd be a cool place to go to.
Oh, it's just, and I took the old man, and he's still to this day trying to get the old girl to go there. She said, "Oh, you love it."
Yeah, it would be a sick place to go to. Yeah, you gotta go there at some point. I feel like everyone has to go there at some point. So it's looking like you are going to have this little spike down and grab these little lows here. Just a little bit more. Kind of have a lot of highs up here to grab now as well. Las Vegas retreat. Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. Mohammed, bearish. Alright, you got it.
Sorry.
That's right, man. Someone's just shouting bearish in the chat. Gold must be bearish. Full caps, bearish. There you go. Coming to grab these lows. Grab these lows. Break above. Go long. The only place I'll flip the bias and go short is if you close back below here. I'll go short. 30 close back below here, and I got gold sells all the way down into here. closed back above, got buys all the way up into here. So that's the thing. I don't really care where gold's going to go. All I'm understanding is the previous 30 closed above. Go long. If it closes back below here, perfectly fine. I'll take shorts. I do prefer shorts today. I'm being open to and apologies. I always forget to click the fucking button. Here, that's what I'm looking for here. Hold above this level here. Gold buys into this level up here. Break back below here, and you got sells into here and here. Like I say, I'm favorable of the sells. Just with the way the daily closed, tapping into our overall level up here. And the fact that you have, where was our trend line? You got a trend line like this as well. So, you know, every retail trader is probably trying to buy here, stop loss like somewhere down here, looking for this huge play up. So if you do start closing back below here to trade into where most people are probably trying to buy, is also a very nice play. But the fact that 30 closed strong above, you know, unless this London, you kind of got what, 3 equal lows here as well. So 5 minutes just grabbing them little intraday lows that I spoke about. So see how we react here. See if we're going to actually break back below here or start to break back above here. But these are the lows that needed to get grabbed. Alright, give me 2 seconds, guys. I'm just going to run to the toilet and wait for this 5-minute close here. 2 seconds. Oh, you just grabbed them lows and starting to reject. No bottom wick on this current 5 though. So this 5 may push down a little bit more, unless you start closing back above here. Amazing. But yeah, March has been an amazing month actually. Be hard to top March. Well, it's been an amazing month. 101 ticks on NQ, amazing. How's it moving? Let's see.
Jesus Christ. Done for the year.
Done for the year, yeah. Oh yeah, nice drop, yeah, nice drop. If you got the drop, yeah, beautiful. Grab the highs, close back below this level. Boom, boom, lovely. If you got the sells, yeah, amazing, amazing. Let's see, 5. Yeah, give us a nice strong little 5 closure here. And red on Goldie. Lower than 1 contract, you just got to trade micros. If you're on Top Step X, you can't trade micros. But if you're on Tradeovate, yeah, you just trade micros. So like 1 micro is like a 0.1 lot in like in FX times, if that's where you come from. Or if you trade like 5 micros, like a 0.5. You can't actually do micros on gold on the Top Step X yet. Anyway, you can do micro Nasdaq, micro S&P, but you can't actually do micro gold yet. not enough people trade it for them to want to update it just yet, but I'm sure they will at some point. Micro safer? Yeah. I mean, there's no point trading, like, if you're trading one contract, you may as well just trade micros, because then you can take partials. So if you trade one contract, you can't take partials. So I'd say trade 5 micros, and at least you can take partials on your trades. Because if you trade one contract, obviously you can't close 50%. So you're better off just trading micros. Yeah. Now you can scale up to minis when you get comfortable with it. There's no rush. 15 is looking like it's going to close bearish here on gold. Closed bearish, but it hasn't really grabbed any highs.
This trading range today is so choppy.
Yeah, choppy range for now. Yeah, choppy range for now. To be fair, this is what it was like yesterday. Yesterday was choppy all the way until London Open, and then we had probably one of the best trades we've had all month. By far the best trade I've had all month.
That was insane.
Yeah, it was a ridiculous push, man. Absolutely
So
ridiculous.
my DP to like 30 pips and it got smashed and then went up about 100 pips.
Yeah, it's crazy,
So I
man.
left the money.
It's crazy. Fuck, I didn't hold that long. I took it like here, like there or something. And
So I took it at the previous highs.
do you get
I took it at
these
the
ones?
further ups. Yeah.
Yeah,
I took it on that retest.
yeah, nice.
And so the previous high, but then I wish I just had some runners to it and that would have been sweet.
Yeah, it's absolutely ridiculous, man. Absolutely ridiculous. If we didn't take that on stream, everyone would be like, "That's bullshit." We actually took that play up. Is fucking crazy. So 15. How's that 15 looking? A bit shit, I think. 15's just closed. Okay, I've got to zoom right in it. Look how choppy this is. 15's just closed bearish back below this area. Last time we closed bearish back below this area, you ended up having a pretty decent retracement. So unless we start closing back above, I'll go long. Will I go short? Not really. I'm not looking to get too messed up in here, because once you get the breakout, you're gonna have some nice volume. But you don't want to try and predict the breakout. You got to wait for it to come to you. So unfortunately, a little bit more here. You're going to have the hourly close. You're going to have the London Open soon here as well. That's when our trade came in yesterday. Best trade on stream I've ever witnessed yesterday. Thank you. Yeah, it was an amazing, amazing push. I don't know if it's one of the best ones we've taken, but it's definitely up there. It's definitely up there. And we held it good as well. Ooh, 50. See, look at the 15. The 15 is looking a bit meh. But you look at the 30. This 30 can re-break its own high and start to drive. You got like 50 ticks to the highest. I'm just watching the 5 minute here on my top screen. 5 minutes not looking, not giving enough volume just yet. Oh, you're in the longs already. Nice, nice, nice.
Yeah.
Good
I
man.
went off the retest and it's like, I didn't know, but I can't trade for the rest of the weekend anyway, so.
Yeah, it's
I
a
lost it today.
good execution, man. 15 time frame or 5 minutes? Depends, really. Depends. If the 15s look messy, I'll just look at the 30. If the 5 minute starts to break out, I'll take it. Time of day in London not being open yet? Nah, not really, Mike. Nah, I've taken trades around this time. The trade we took on Monday. Where are we? Where's Monday? Monday. That's Wednesday. I'm too far back. Where's Monday in London? I'm fucking too zoomed out here. Now we got buys on. What the hell? I'm so confused. Where the fuck is Monday? Tuesday. Where's our Monday trade? Where was our Monday trade? Wait, I'm way too far back. Here, sorry, here. So we got the buys here on Monday, yeah, at 7:30. 7, oh, this 30 is going to flip bullish here. How long is this 5 is going to close? See, is this 30 going to re-break higher? I would like to refine a little bit more than this current 30 low, to be honest, because that's what a so yeah, it's only a 15 tick stop loss is pretty good, but I would like to see this 5 close back above this level and give us a bottom wick. I also think anyone who is probably selling gold here, now that we're rejecting this resistance so much, I would imagine most people are probably trying to do something like that. So maybe you could look to target this high as well. That could be like a break-even point. I would like to see this 5 just close strong. I just want to see volume, and we're looking for it to come back up into here. I mean, you're at least going to grab that high now. If you start to reject from here, this will be a retail trap of people trying to jump in shorts. Stops above here or stops above here.
The top one would be preferred.
Yeah, man, yep. Are you using bookmap? No, I'm not right now. No, I don't have bookmap up at the minute, no. 5 micro is good. Yeah, 5 micros is good. 5 micro is a good place to start, yeah. Definitely. More than enough. More than enough. When I pass the top step, the 50k here on the top step X, I only use like 1 to 2. 1 to 2 contracts is more than enough. So if you start trading 0.5, get consistent with it, amazing. You get a nice 5 close here. See if you can get instant bottom wick. You pretty much did exactly what we said. Grab this little double bottom and start to push back higher. So we can't not look to take this. Let's see. You'd be risking like something like that. How long you got? 10 minutes to this hourly's going to close. I don't have this in just yet. The future's just... What the fuck? The futures is looking completely different right now. I don't have a bottom wick here on the futures. The futures already flipping bullish. The futures on top step X just had a very weird push down. So as this currency is pushing down, this top step X is already pushing higher. So I'm not really sure how to approach this. That was really strange. The candle here like printed a strong push, and now it's pushing up. Are you taking this? Now I'm not in here. This, I don't know why, but this didn't give me a bottom wick here. So I don't have anything in right now. You also have to be aware that this is your kind of management point, which is only like, it's 4 ticks away. It's kind of not really worth it for me. I just don't like this range. You know, you're buying straight into this resistance as well. There's a lot of choppiness. I think the safest bet is waiting for an hourly closure back above here, bottom wick, and then taking it. So I'm not in this just yet now. You know, if we do push from here, so be it. I'll get in on the closure of the hourly, and then we'll keep riding it if it does push from here. Because we're looking to target all the way up here. You know, so we've got plenty of time to take this. I get in right at the London Open as well. Same as yesterday. Yeah, I would normally be taking this, but I don't know why my futures chart here is like kind of lagging. Kind of got a little bit of lag here. Like, yours is the same?
Yeah, it's been a bit different.
Let me go and trade it.
All morning, to be fair. Tomorrow I just went up the retest, to be fair. I just done a retest entry.
Let me have a look at this.
I just put the stop loss then, whatever the 5-minute candle closed, and I just tried to ride it up. Bit of a riskier play, that's why I didn't say anything, so nobody else could have lost.
nice. Good execution, man. Good execution. Oh yeah, this feature's looking way nice now. Yeah, top step chart being winded. Yeah, it is. Yeah, I just had a look here. Looks way nicer here. Way clearer. If you guys are in this though, you probably got to break even here. I didn't get, for some reason Top Step X didn't give me a bottom wick, so I'm not in here, unfortunately. But if you are in this on this 5 flip here, you probably want to be break even now because you're grabbing these highs here and you're like, what is this? Your target there is like 17. That will probably be like, you may secure some there, but you're ideally looking to run this all the way back up into here. Kind of annoying that I wish I was sharing my screen so you guys could see it. I literally had like no bottom wick there. It's pretty unfortunate. It being like this, that would have been a double day back to back. You would be, yeah, if you are, close at break even right there. As soon as you start grabbing these highs here, you have to manage. So if you're in this position, take the break even. As soon as you grab these highs and don't close above, you could grab these highs, start closing below and start dipping back lower. So take the break even. I wouldn't say I'm glad it's come back down in case you guys did it, but for the sake of I didn't get to get in it, I am glad it's coming back down. For selfish reasons. Dave break even, Mario break even. Yeah, good job on the break even. Take the break even, guys. That's what I was saying. The reason I wasn't super confident as well, even if Top Step did get the bottom wick, is because as soon as you start grabbing these highs here, you could grab these highs and start to push back down. So your management is at what 5 pips? It's like, is it really worth it? It's worth it if you can execute it quick. You just have to manage quickly as well. Can I increase the volume a little bit? Yeah, let me start pumping in them contracts. Let's start pumping that volume.
Song going in the background. No pumping. You like that song? How do you know that song?
Alex calling people out.
Yeah, she's 5 and she's singing it. I'm like, how the hell do you know?
Aled, where was you playing golf the other day? Sorry.
South Patterns. Honestly, it's so dry up there. It's mad. I sent a photo of my boots from Sunday, from the local course where I'm from, with all the boys are. And I sent a photo of my boots that I wore yesterday. And oh my god, there's night and day difference. I can't believe how dry it is up there. Where the ferries come in from the island. Yeah, it's right on yesterday. So it's just the ferry. The ferries come in. Yeah, oh, stunning. It really is. Sorry.
Bloody beautiful.
Beautiful.
At least you don't make me sound Jamaican like Joe does.
Jamaican.
Yeah, Joe and Mark think I'm Jamaican.
Something about.
Yes. You miss. Where were you living anyways?
I was living in Fourth Court.
Oh, Jesus.
I know.
I know it. It's fuck all that.
Been down Stratford Bay.
Yeah, there's each year there's Elvis Presley.
Yeah, the Elvis weekend.
this weekend, what an absolute banging weekend.
Yeah, it's a good weekend.
Yeah.
Elvis weekend. Biggest Elvis festival in the world, isn't it? Something like that.
Yeah, I'm sure it's something like that, isn't it?
Banging.
Seaside town in Wales, everyone comes from all over the world. No, just all the people come from the valleys to buy it.
There's absolute clowns.
Come on, Goldie. You got 1 minute. 1 minute to his out. He's going to close here. Give us some volume. 5 minutes not looking too amazing. 30's trying to flip. Not really closing above just yet. Volume didn't really kick in till 8 AM yesterday, so you know, could we get the same? Possibly. Overall though, you know, today for gold to come and grab a lot of this trend line is very nice. My overall liquidity levels this week, we look at the 4 hour, is still actually back down here. Whether you drive into it this week, if you don't drive into it this week, next week, that's my target. I think it's about time you see gold coming to retrace some of this, but to at least come and re-grab the lows at 2150 is a pretty nice area. Oh, look at this, last 5 minutes. Are we gonna close above? Wrong chart. Oh, too many charts open here. 5 minutes closed bullish in the last couple of seconds. So how's that Owly? Owly's just broken out. I mean, it's not the nicest, but it has closing back above this level. If you don't grab the Owly highs and bottom wick, you may have some longs here on gold. If you instantly grab the highs.
There's a nice retest on the half an hour as well.
Yeah, 30 ended up pushing nicely. Shame it took like half an hour to get there. Well, obviously, but I mean, flipped it like the last like 20-ish seconds. Grab the 5 lows, re-broke back bullish. You're at least going to grab that. Anyone who is still going to be short here, the more you come and mess around this high, the more people try short here, put their stop loss just above there. So you get a lot of people trying to do this right now. Be a retail trap area. So that is kind of our next liquidity area. It's annoying because you literally, we tapped into exactly where we said we would. Grab this double bottom and then re-break back higher. You literally tapped into this double bottom and had an amazing push up. What was that? It's like a 25-ish tick push just from liquidating this little double bottom. The way you execute, Al, you probably had a great play.
Yeah, I put the stop loss at the bottom of this 5, and it's just whipped me out on futures. How? I don't know. But, yeah, unfortunately, my runner has gone.
Yeah, futures looked like it just about grabbed the previous 5 low. Currency fully grabbed the previous low, but futures here actually kind of left like a little double bottom. As you may, like you, being honest, you may have just saved it. Come on, Goldie, give us the goods today. I don't think you'll miss much, to be honest, man.
Not really. I left a 10 contract trade now. Yeah.
Go on, pump the volume.
$200. I'm out. Thank you. Works for someone else.
Finding contracts on a 2-tick trade is really nice.
Easy.
Consistency is key.
$200 a day.
consistently earn $200 a day, I'm more than happy with that. More than happy.
Yeah. 2,000 a day. That's what you need.
I'm not on your level yet, sorry.
Guys, 10 contracts, 2 pips a day. You got it. What's this? 68% people are long, 32% people are short. I reckon you'll probably see these sellers start to pick up here. I reckon a lot of people are going to try and short here on gold. If we can take buys, taking advantage of that, amazing. But will I buy gold right here? Not really. It'll be interesting to see if you see these sellers pick up here. What do you have? Up into that high in the futures, you got 12 ticks. I got you guys on YouTube. Got a video coming out after this as well, recapping one of the trades that we took last week. I've already recapped the trades we took on Monday and Tuesday, but they won't be up till probably next week, or maybe even Friday. Actually, no, Friday. I'll have Monday's trade up for Friday. But the one we took yesterday is the most important one. That one I'll probably put up next week. BE. What did you get, Scott? Did you get? Sorry, Ross. Did you get some sells? 55% short in the currency. Oh, nice. Yeah, interesting. Yeah, interesting. Longs. You got longs. Yeah, I do think you will see a lot of people in something like this. That's why I'm trying to look to buy up into where most people are trying to sell. I just can't take it from here. It's just kind of in no man's land. But yeah, this is what I imagine most people will be trying to do right now. It's just in a weird area. It's in a tough area. And once you do grab these highs, you may see that drive back up into our upper level here pretty quick as well. How's the 50 looking? Just trying to find an entry, that's all. Futures had a hard time figuring out how to risk correctly. Good morning, man. Same as FX pretty much, man. One contract is one lot. You trade micros, that's like trading 0. Whatever you trade. If you trade here on the top SFX, I can't really take a trade, but when I execute a position here, I can drag and drop my stop losses. It'll show me the dollar risk amount as well. If you go back yesterday, we might get a trade. I might be able to show you, but if not, go back and watch yesterday's live stream where we took these huge buys on gold yesterday, and I showed me adjusting my stop loss, and you kind of see how you can manage your risk on here as well. If not, I would pick Tradeovate as the platform, and then you can link Tradeovate to TradingView, and then you can also, when you go in here, create new order. I'm not logged in, but it will let you adjust your risk as well. You can put in like adjust your stop loss, etc., and it will let you know the dollar amount. It'll feel weird at first, but man, once you do make the move, yeah, you'll be like, this is amazing. Especially if you only trade like gold or Nasdaq, it's just a no-brainer. A no-brainer. Did you grab any lows here? Oh, you did actually grab previous lows. So what? If you re-break this previous high, your stop loss is gonna be that low because you just grabbed lows. I'm trying to come back up into here. It's just kind of, I just don't like this. I just don't like the look, like the way we're pushing up. Like we're pushing up, doji, pushing up, doji. compared to what we saw yesterday, it's just not ideal. Not ideal. I mean, if this is a true liquidity gap to push down, then you wouldn't need to break it. But if you do re-break this high, there is a possibility to see this keep pushing up. On the futures, you're looking at 1.7-ish. We got one more. I don't have anything in just yet, guys. I'm just waiting for this. We got one more minute till it's going to close here. We got 198 people tuned in on YouTube. You guys should have tuned in yesterday. We only had about, I think we had 140 watching yesterday when we had the gold buys. We got almost 200 in here now.
That's really nice.
They got FOMO. Yeah, they got FOMO. Yeah, they got FOMO. Yeah, it is good, man. Yeah. You guys missed out yesterday. Probably had one of the biggest trades we've had on the stream in probably the whole month. We had these gold buys here. But that's good. We'll get plenty more. It wasn't a rare trade. We've taken loads of trades like that. Plenty more. Trying to get one here today as well. I'm not trying to take a trade for the sake of it, but you know, if we get some volume, I am absolutely looking for a trade. I just don't want to get stuck in sideways price action. There's nothing worse than getting a trade that you're just spending the rest of the day trying to get out of or trying to recover from, because you just get stuck in sideways price action. Amazing trade yesterday. Yep, thank you, man. Glad you caught it. What's this? Pushing back down. Morning, bro. Love the live stream. Thank you, man. Do you recommend swing trading while having a 9 to 5? If you live in the UK or Europe, yeah, definitely, yeah. If you live other sides of the world, you can probably afford to be on the charts. Like for me here right now in Australia, it's 6:10 in the evening. So working a 9 to 5 in Australia and day trading on the side is perfect. But yeah, like in order to make the transition, yeah, 100%, man. Yeah, I'd say focus on swing trading. That's what I did. I swing traded for like, maybe 3 years before I traded like this. Stop loss on yesterday's trade. The stop loss was below the 5 low. We were risking like 5, I think it's about like 5 ticks maybe. That was the actual entry stop loss push. We were just risking off the 5 low because it was the last 5 to 15 as well. Yeah, I mean that's the thing. Like living in the UK and trying to learn to day trade. Like when I was trying to do it, I was literally working from like my job was like 8:30 till 5, and I used to take my laptop to work with me, and I'd go on the charts on my lunch, or I'd be going to the toilet, check the charts for time. It's not a good idea to trade like that. Focus on the high time frame. You don't have to trade like the daily and swing for like a week or something, but focus on like the hourly and the 30-minute, especially on gold. You look at gold on the 30 or the hourly time frame, and it's just beautiful. It moves so clean, so clean. So yeah, I'd say if you're gonna trade gold whilst working a 9 to 5, yeah, focus on the hourly, man. Hourly for entry and like 4 hourly closures for management, and you have some great trades. Some great trades. Now I'm not in this yet. I don't even have any orders in here. I'm just drawing this up. I like to have my FTMO for swings. Yeah, that's pretty much what I have it for, Ross. Yeah. I kind of neglect it because I'm trying to do too many things. So my FTMO is just sat at break even. Issue with Aussies like me trading after 6 PM, waking up at 5:30. Gym. Yeah, 100%. Yeah. If I was working a full-time job here in Australia, yeah, you kind of have to you're gonna have to give like something in the evening. For me personally, I would prioritize like trading over doing something else before work. Like I prioritize sleep as well. But if you think it's hard in Australia, it's way worse than the UK. Way worse. Guys in Australia actually have it pretty good. You can even trade like pre-New York. pre-New York in Australia for like, you know, 1 to 2 hours and have good enough moves. Still in Brisbane. Oh no. GC, oh no. Yeah. I don't even watch New York, to be honest. I watched New York maybe yesterday for like an hour. But I get a trade here in London. I don't even care about New York personally. Come on, Goldie, give some volume. You're going to get this 15 close in 1 minute here as well. How's the 15 looking? Pretty crap, to be honest. I don't think I'm going to put this order in. This volume is not looking it. What was your job, by the way? I saw your thumbnail. Is the middle finger? No, I've had plenty of jobs, yeah. Well, the job at that time, I was working as an administrator and also working on a reception job. Fucking sucked. Answering fucking phones all day. The worst thing ever. I did that for like 3 years or something. And then I worked in marketing for like a year and a half, something like that. I had loads of jobs, yeah. All been like kind of admin kind of jobs. There's a new house, yeah. New house is good, thank you. New house is good. It's nice. The weather's kind of dropped here pretty crazy at the minute. It's like gone from being like sunny to all of a sudden actually wet and cold. It's like being back in the UK. Ice baths are not going well, man. Oh, there you go, motherfucker. I'm not in this, by the way. I didn't put any orders in, but that's what I was watching. Re-break that high and you're going to see us drive much higher. But we're going to get 15 inches close as well. So if we get a bottom wick here on this 15, which we are right now, what would be there? 10 ticks there. You're looking for this to drive all the way back up into here. We just had it's like gold's having these pushes right at the last couple of minutes here. How's that 5? Yeah, stop loss would probably be in below this previous 5. Again, it's just like you're right at that. So now you'd be like this. As soon as you start grabbing these highs, you would be managing. Again, like I said, everyone who was short gold here has just been stopped out. I'm not in this, by the way, guys. I'm personally not in this. It's just too close to my area. But yeah, anyone, I'll put it in just in case anyone thinks I'm in. I'm not in. But yeah, like I said, anyone who was selling gold here, stop loss just above that high, they've all been stopped out. I was trying to buy it up into that high. I just couldn't get an entry around here. It was just too messy. I wanted to buy it into this high. Because you would have had, like I said, a lot of retail traders shorting here, putting their stop loss just above the previous high. Well, that's not how gold moves. Gold is never going to reject without grabbing this high. So my trade was kind of looking to buy up into that. Just with these 5-minute rejections, just didn't give an entry like we did yesterday. If you are in this, yeah, have your stop loss below the current 5 low. I'm personally not in it. But if you are, that's what I'd look to have. Futures is, man, what is Top Step X is I don't know what it is, but it's really behind today. Like you're not even grabbing the previous highs. You look here, even though, yeah, both futures are lagging behind here. It's not Top Step X, it's even TraderBait as well, also lagging behind. Did I go to uni for them jobs? Nah. I mean, I did go to uni, but not for them jobs, no. Beginner, should you be trading at least 2 sessions? Nah, just focus on one. Perth is good. Yeah, Perth, you got good times in Perth. Yeah, same as Bali, yeah. You got good times. If you get anything in London, would you focus on New York? Yeah, that's pretty much my plan, Gavin. Yeah, if I don't get a trade in London, yeah, I'll focus on New York, man, yeah. Did any of you guys on Zoom catch this quick enough? If you did, here's your break-even point. You got in it? Nice. Nice. Break-even now, yeah, good job. Break-even, nice. Able to catch 15 on the flip, yeah, nice, yeah. You guys are what got... You're looking to target much higher. Yeah, definitely be break-even. Caught it, nice. Yeah, break even, yeah. Oh, Ross, nice, look at that. You got amazing entry. Another banger. Yeah, another banger, yeah, what a push. It's a shame because I wanted it from like down here, buying up into where most people were trying to sell. What the fuck just happened there? Someone just hacked me or something? What's it? Oh, alright, okay. How pointless is uni? Yeah, it's pretty pointless. But if it wasn't for uni, I also wouldn't be here, so. It was only at university I discovered trading, so. Pointless in terms of the degree itself, but in terms of the knowledge you get from, like, the life aspect, it was worth it. What made you move to Aussie? The lifestyle, pretty much, man. Lifestyle in Australia compared to the UK is just a completely different. Like, good weather pretty much every day. Good trading times. And I'm a New Zealand citizen as well, so it means I can live and stay here without needing visas and all that sort of thing. It's not somewhere I'll live forever, but you know, for the time being, it's good, man. Well, you're hitting like 12 ticks. I wouldn't secure because I think you're going to see it drive much higher, but definitely have risk off the table. What was your risk on that? Below the 5 low, once you got tagged in, what was the stop loss? What, like maybe 10 ticks? No, less than that. What? Like 5 again? Must have been try spider in your house. Yeah, sometimes. Oh no, when we lived in our other house, we had a massive snake in our garden one time. I don't really mind snakes, but spiders are hell no. Hell no. About finished master's degree, can't wait. Yeah. Yeah, good, yeah. Good job, yeah. Getting your master's, nice. Black spiders more than gold. Definitely have risk off the table here, guys. I would have liked to be in this and getting this. March has been an amazing month. I've had a lot of trades this month actually. I've had 13 wins, 5 losses, and 4 break evens. My biggest loss this month has been 13 ticks. 2 13 ticks actually. What was this one? Which is pretty good, considering it last month. Oh, that's that one I'm uploading to YouTube today. This one, you guys want to learn from that one, that'll be uploaded today. There's 2. All good, man. Enjoy, man. See you, man. Bye, man. Bye. Yeah, you can have a copy of it, yeah. How's not liquidity to grab down? It could be. It could be. I mean, you take a look at gold on the hourly. Like my upside target on gold before going short is you may still tap into here. And then once you do get up into here, this is where I'm looking for this big sell today. But I mean, you don't really worry about where a liquidity grab could be. Like if you're like, well, why is this not grabbing highs and pushing down? You don't care where the liquidity grab is going to be. The liquidity grab is only confirmed once it grabs a high and actually closes back below. Then amazing. Then you take the sells. So you don't really have to worry about why is it not a liquidity grab or anything like that. You just react to it once it does break back down, which is the good thing about it. The good thing about the way we trade is we're not trying to predict the liquidity grabs. We're just reacting to them. But yeah, my next, you know, to still come up into here does make sense. Can I have this 1, 2, maybe potential 3rd drive? Break even, nice, yeah. Good job. You guys got break even that. Good trade. Take the break even. Because as soon as you start grabbing this previous high where most people were trying to sell and risk off, that's where you have to manage. So you only hit like 12 ticks. I personally wouldn't have taken anything off there. But to take the break even is good. Break even is good. You start closing back below, you know, you never know. You may start taking some sells. That was my kind of first area to watch from. You could still tap into here. But grabbing this high is the first level where I would start to react from if you start closing bearish. And I'll be... My next my next downside target is like here and here. Most people will try and buy here. Stop losses will be below that low, looking for this big play up, and that's pretty much where we're looking to sell into today. You've respected this trend line 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Four touches on a trend line is absolute retail heaven to try and buy there. You sure you can see here top step X, anyone who was selling just got squeezed out there as well. A lot of people still long here actually as well. But yeah, break even is good. Take the break even. You got to manage them trades quick, and that's why I wanted to buy up into this high to make it worthwhile, because that would have been my trade. You know, as soon as we start grabbing them highs, if I was long from here, that's my target. Buying up into where most people are trying to sell, but I just didn't get it. So buying here, it's it's still valid. It just brings in a little bit more risk and having to manage much more aggressively. Good. $100 amount. If you want to risk 120, then well, you just need to know what your stop loss is. Like if you have a stop loss, say here, 10 ticks, one contract, $100. You have a contract down here, one contract, $280. Same here, one contract, 45, 450. Oil's flat. Yeah, I was looking at we talked about the sells on the oil yesterday. Here. Pushing down nicely to come back down into $80-ish. Kind of push down it's taking its sweet ass time, but it is trying to make its way back down to $80. Come and re-grab these lows here. Appreciate it, bro. Yeah, no worries, man. Yeah, it'll feel weird at first, but you'll get it quick, man. You get it quick. So the reason I only trade gold is because it's just so easy to work out. But I personally just stick to the same contract size. Look at this 30. 30, 30, 30. Just creeping its way up. And that's the thing with gold. Gold is not one to try and trade against. Like if you start taking sells here before it breaks below here, gold is one where it can reject like this, come up, re-grab it again, reject it again, and just keep creeping up. And then by the time the real trade comes in, you've lost it. So if I want to get some sells today, if we don't come up into here, I'll be getting sells if you close back below here, and I'll short gold all the way down into here and down into here. And eventually down into here. You take a look at the daily. Yesterday closed with that beautiful, beautiful wick. Now you're retesting Monday's high, and you haven't really grabbed any daily lows for the past 1, 2, 3, 4 days now. So you got a lot of downside targets if you can see gold flip bearish today. Back down into here's my kind of overall target. Could this be the high of the day to start taking the shorts? Oh, maybe. It's kind of messy. My chart's looking. I don't like when my charts look this messy. Let's see. Grabbing the highs. Yeah, grabbing the highs. Start closing back. If this 30 can close back below here. Yeah, I'm not against sells. How's this 4 hour looking? 4 hour re-grabbing previous 4 hour highs as well. 4 hours kind of stuck in this just little zone here. Little zone here. Let's see. You can be at 30 close in 3 minutes. Yeah, 30's going to close in 3 minutes. Give me 2 secs, guys, and we'll watch this. 30 close. If we break back below here, we could be looking for some more sells. And we may take this back down to these areas. It'll be 2 seconds. Oh man, this 30 could actually be very nice here. Oh, look at that 5. Yeah, this is looking good. This 30 is looking, yeah, this, look at that, yeah. As soon as you grab them highs, stopped out everyone who was trying to sell here. You've wicked out all the highs. People sell here, stop loss above there. You've grabbed all of their liquidity. You start closing back below. We get a top wick here. And I'm going to look for some sells. And this could be the potential high of the day. And you could have a pretty decent short here on gold. Anyone who was selling here, stop loss just above that high. I'd love to know the amount of retails that would have been short here. Stop loss like that, where we were trying to buy up into. And now they just get stopped out. And now we may actually see this push come in. So let me just see. Let's have a look here on the futures. I need a top wick though. I need a top wick to be able to get an entry. Without grabbing the lows. Top wick before grabbing the lows. I'm going to look for some sells. Just pull up a little bit. Doesn't have to pull too much, but just pull up a little bit. And now I'm going to look to sell this. That's a lovely 30 close there. After grabbing all of them highs. I need more of a top wick. Just pull up a little bit. You don't even have a 5 on this future chart here yet. Oh, you kind of create one now. Let's just have a look here. 5 minute. Stop loss above that. That 5 is like a 20. That's quite a large stop loss. It's a very nice area though. I'd managed way before that. Oh, you're gonna flip. Don't flip just yet. I don't want it to flip in the first like 1 minute here of this 30. But it could be enough. If you've got decent volume, that might be enough. I don't know. To short it in the first 1 minute of the 30 is not ideal. I'm not in this yet, by the way, as I'll show you when I get in it. I'm not in this.
We really want another 5 minutes, don't we? And then
Yeah.
the high of this 5 to be taken.
That would be, yeah, that would be ideal. If we don't break here, we want the next 5 to quickly wick up, grab these highs, and then start taking it. But with the amount of strong volume that came in here, it may be enough just to push from here. It's such a strong push that it could easily just be enough. You probably won't find some support to back down there. Because if you sell it, the only thing is if you sell it now, stop losses here. It's only 23 ticks. You know, it's not crazy. You're looking to play it much lower, but it's quite large for us. Wouldn't really want it that high. That was a very nice 30 close there. I'm trying not to over refine here as well. I just want an entry with a valid stop. Futures is already grabbing previous lows here. There you go. There's that currency pushing down. Let's see, is this futures going to break below? Got 1 minute till this closes. I'll move it out of the way just in case I don't think a minute. Let me move it out of the way. Yeah, that was a beautiful grab of them highs as well. That was such a nice grab. Again, that's why anyone who did take them buys from here, trade management was absolutely perfect there. If you didn't manage that trade, after hitting 12 ticks and grab the highs, you'd be minus like 25 now. So that level, executed and managed very well. Very, very well. Is this 5 going to be enough? I think this 5 might be enough. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Have you just closed? What? Are you closing? No. Goldie, are you broken? No bottom wick, instant bottom wick. That's a huge push. That one 5 minute after stopping everyone out was a 23 tick push. Yeah, that 5 was enough. Being too greedy there. Yeah, that 30 flip was enough. I thought it would be. Just quite a big stop. I mean, this nice. Did you get the break of the 30 flip, Nathan? It's very valid. Very valid. I should have taken that. Yeah, nice. Yeah, nice. Yeah, 30 flip was, yeah, very nice. Same as the 15 actually. Just when it flips in the first 1 minute, I'm a bit like, But you would already be, as soon as you start hitting these areas, you'd already be break even. So you'd be chilling. Yeah, volume should, yeah. You'll probably, next bounce area is going to be here. Because you look at the daily, you came back to exactly Monday's high as well. That's that perfect. If this closes bearish, it's going to look like a perfect evening star. Can't catch them all. Can't catch them all. Gonna bounce off the trend line for like what, a 5th time or something? 100th time today. Surprisingly, on Top Step X, 64% of people are still long. Majority of people are still trying to buy this here. It's quite surprising. I would not be buying this. Still looking for these sells. Anyone who is in the sells, this is your first minimum target. Minimum there. If you can grab that high, possible to keep selling it. Double looks good. Yeah, double looks beautiful. Yeah. There's the whole. This is the whole push down that we've been talking about here. Didn't take any of this, and boom! Look at that. One candle completely retraces this like half an hour of just pure noise. Completely retraced in like 2-3 candles. retailers will be pissed on this one. This looks so clean. This would have been the... Retailers are breaking their laptops right now. Look at that. So clean. So damn clean. Where's the current low of the day? Is this the low of the day? Yeah. Remember, you still got this low of the day here as well. The main play today is going to be when this daily flips bullish. You're going to see gold sells for like a big play. Big play. I was gonna say, if you just grab these highs, you can have some sells. Didn't quite grab it. Drop that range. Don't trade. Yeah. Wait for the strong closes. Yeah. 100%. Love a spin. But yeah, it's a pretty decent area to swing it now on the personal, to be honest. Pretty nice area. Enjoy, Brian. See you, man. All the best to you guys. See you, John. Enjoy, man. Enjoy. Be me soon as well. Gonna have this big push now. Are you bouncing off that trend line again? That's crazy, look at that. How many times are you going to bounce off that trend line on gold? If you grab some 5 highs, you know, I will still sell into that trend line. Yeah, pretty much, yeah. I just need to grab some little 5 highs so I can sell it. I would have wanted to be in from like here and here, but it's pushed down that much that to start selling it here is pretty aggressive. Yeah, I needed to just to grab some highs so I can get a valid stop loss. Absolutely. Five still pushing. A bit on the valid stop loss. Just like an area to put a stop loss, because you sell it here, you got the stop loss going to go there above there. But if it starts grabbing some highs, then I can have a stop loss here. Stop loss is always above a liquidity grab, but when it's pushed down this much and the last liquidity grab is all the way up here, that's where it would have to be. So kind of taking it here. You know, although it may keep pushing down, there's no valid stop loss on that. The only valid stop loss is like all the way back up here for me. And there you go, already pushed now. Futures grabbing previous lows here. Retail trap. Yeah, retail trap to buy off this trend line stop loss just below that low. Absolutely. Called this whole move down. It's so painful to watch us just push. Painful. Gold had to get us back though. Yeah, if you guys got the 15 flip, you're what? 15? That's alright. It looks like a huge push. It's only 15 ticks. Nothing crazy. It's just the fact that it's followed the plan well. Very well.
There's always like a bit of a retracement for a second entry.
Yeah, there will be, man. The next 30 isn't just going to come and like keep pushing down. You'll still get like a retest of these areas. Bang, 30 ticks, 4 contracts. I'm out. Very nice. Good work. Good job. Amazing work. What do you have into that little low? 4 ticks. No. So yeah, anyone who would have been buying this little rejection here, stop loss here. I was going to say, if this 15 can close around here in top wick, you could sell it, but nowhere now. Manage my stop. I wouldn't really, when it's pushed down this much, if I was in short from here, I'd probably just look to close the position, to be honest. I mean, you could put it above every 5 highs, but I'd probably just be looking to close it. To be honest, it's pushed down that much that I'm really looking to get like 20 ticks maybe. So if it's pushed down this, yeah, I'd probably just be taking it. But if you really wanted, yeah, you could trade trail like 5 highs if you really wanted. What would you have now? You haven't really grabbed anything, so it's aggressive because it's not valid because it hasn't really grabbed anything. It's a shame we couldn't just wick up that 5 high. I'm all in. Show me the money. Show you the money. All in. This is a nice top wick and it's 15 as well. Got it at 79.8. You got it at 79. Is that on the futures that we see? No, here. 79.8. Oh, you got the flip. Yeah, nice. Yeah, great entry. Beautiful entry. 79.8. Got out at 76.9. Beautiful, beautiful. Where's that? 76.9. Right there. You go around like, yeah, over 25. Yeah, amazing work. Good job, man. Beautiful. That's a great entry. After we're eating, always, always, always. Eating well this week. Very well this week. Yeah, we're eating very well this week. What would this be? If you take the break of this 15 low, risk off no more than the high because you may come up and grab some more, so you don't want to be too aggressive. Seeing it push back down into here. There's the 5 looking. Let me have a look at the 5 here. A couple more minutes. Got on the break of the 30. Yeah, but I think that's the best one. The best one was, yeah, the break of that 30. That was a great one. You guys got that as amazing. That's like 20 right there. That's beautiful. Break of that 30 low was, yeah, it was a great place to sell. Good job if you guys got that as an amazing place. Very, very nice place. Five's about to close here. Still bullish, no bottom wick. You may start to wick up some highs now. Let me just put it across. So both 15 flips. Yeah, I mean the first 15 flip was great. If you got that flip, amazing. I see London volume back. Yeah, London volume has been amazing. Perfect rejection off the view up there. London volume, yeah, has been fantastic, man. Every single day this week, London volume has been amazing. It's good to see. Last week it was a little bit quiet. Week before was great as well. Last week was a little quiet. We're grabbing the lows. That was a perfect rejection off the view up. Crazy. Close half of one runner. Yeah, nice, Matthew. Nice. Bro, do you live in Poland? I do not live in Poland, no. I do not. Not that I'm aware of. No. I don't think I live in Poland. I have been to Poland though, but I don't live in Poland. So you just grabbed that second touch, or third touch-ish of the trend line and failed to close below. So anyone buying here, stop loss below that low, they have also now just been stopped out. I did put this and I've just closed that. I don't like it. Closed it. If it had driven more, I would have continued to hold that, but it's not worth it. If it pushes from here, so be it. So be it. Hey, $10 is $10. I went to Poland probably 3 years ago-ish, I think. I think it was in Poland 3 years ago. I don't know, Mark. I miss that guy. Bro, do you trade only Asia? We actually zoom out here. We've called some great moves. You zoom out here. Gold has done absolutely... You know, although this 5 minute has had great volume, 100%, gold has actually done nothing here. So you have to manage at every single level here. You start to break it, amazing. But you got to manage any trades aggressively. You're tapping right into 30 support, grabbing previous 30 lows. There's a lot of barriers in it. So we haven't actually broken out yet today. Waiting to get in. Yeah, I'm trying to see if I could get a... I took the break of that 15 flip, but I closed that at break even. And I think if I'm gonna get in again, it needs to kind of grab some highs. But I was just not a huge fan of this range. I'll be honest, especially not when it's pushed down so much as well. It doesn't like here, like that. Once it grabs the second touch, that's your first management area. There's 2 break-evens today. Gold. London. What's the date today? 27th. The BE. Straight back up. Look at that. Straight back up after grabbing them lows. That's what you have to manage. As soon as you get into some areas here, manage and take some partials. Especially guys, you got the 15 flip. What did you see there? You saw like 25. Amazing. Yeah, you would be out there. Yeah, possible, man. Possible. But it's looking like it's hourly. It's probably just gonna close like another doji hourly by the looks of it. I'm not actually really doing anything here. So easy to get so zoomed on the 5 here. You zoom out, you realize nothing has actually happened here today. Unfortunately, we can't have volume every day though. But yeah, my targets are still today gold to come much lower. But would I sell it here? No, not really. It's just in a tight range. Can't catch them all. So what was it? 5-2. Yeah, well, not going to get a play in the next 5 minutes here, so I won't keep you guys. This is the range for gold today. I don't think I'm going to take anything here. You may see this drive back down into these areas, but I'm probably going to wait for this hourly close. See how this closes. If we break this support, amazing. We'll have some sells later on, probably closer to New York session. But London, yeah, I'm going to leave London here. So Zoom guys, I'll let you guys go. I'll update you guys in Discord throughout the rest of the day and see if we get some more breakouts. So enjoy Zoom guys. I'll talk to you guys in Discord soon. See you guys. Bye-bye. All right, YouTube fam, I'm gonna wrap up there. Unfortunately today, we had a trade on Monday, trade on Tuesday. Unfortunately today, gold has kind of done nothing. Although we were able to call that amazing liquidity grab and breakout, catching it was pretty difficult. And you've actually looked back and gold hasn't really done anything today. So yeah, I'm happy to sit on my hands for now. I took one break even there. We'll take the break even. We'll come back again for the New York session. You guys on YouTube, I have a video going up at 1/4 the next hour. So in 20 minutes, there's a new video going up. If not, I'll see you guys tomorrow, same time, for the last trading day of the week before we have Easter Friday. So enjoy the rest of the day. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.